Hello everyone. Today we are going to study subject and predicate. By understanding what is a subject and what is a predicate, you will be able to easily recognize from a sentence which is a subject and which is a predicate. So without further ado, let's move into the topic. So first, let us understand what is a subject and also what is a predicate. Subject tells us about who and what of a sentence, who did it and what is happening. All such things are talked about in the subject. It talks mainly about a person or thing, and subject will always contain a person or thing. Coming to the predicate part, predicate gives information about the subject. Say for example, Rama is dancing. So in the sentence, Rama is dancing, Rama is the subject. Is dancing will be the predicate. Rama is a subject, and what is Rama the subject doing? It is she or she is dancing. Rama is dancing. So that is what the predicate does, gives information about the subject or what happened or what is happening to the subject. Here Rama is dancing, what is happening to the subject, or yeah, what is happening to the subject? Rama is dancing. Now, predicate also contains verb and all the other words. So the best way to find out a predicate is to locate the verb in a sentence. If you are able to locate the verb in a sentence, then it will be easy for you to part, subject and predicate. We'll move on to the next slide. Now let's look at a few examples. The first one is bad habits grow unconsciously. And the thing is that I will be underlining or I will be highlighting actually. I'll be highlighting the subject part and the rest will be the predicate part. The part which I won't be highlighting, it will become the predicate part. So the subject parts I will highlight. So here the first example, bad habits grow unconsciously. So what is a subject? What are we talking about? We are talking about bad habits. So bad habits becomes a subject and the rest part will be predicate. So bad habits will be the subject part. This will be the subject, bad habits. Okay, now coming to the second example, the cackling of geese saved Rome. We are talking about the cackling of geese. Who or what in a sentence? That is the cackling of geese saved Rome. So here also the cackling of geese will become the subject. And what did the cackling of geese do? What is the extra information that we're getting? It saved Rome. Coming to the next example, the sun rises in the east. So here we all know that the subject of the sentence definitely is gonna be the sun. So the sun rises in the east. The subject is the sun. Rises in the east is the predicate. See, another simple way to find out a subject and a predicate in a sentence is look for the verb. Rises is a verb here. So the words after the verb in a sentence, they contribute to the verb. Or I mean the predicate, not verb, the predicate. So here the sun, we are talking about sun. So the sun becomes the subject. Rises in the east will become the predicate. Now the next sentence is, this is a quite tricky sentence. A barking sound the shepherd hears. So the barking sound the shepherd hears. Whom are we talking about? We are talking about shepherd. So here the shepherd will become the subject and hears a barking sound will become the predicate. Or else you can rewrite the sentence. You can rewrite it in such a way that the shepherd hears a barking sound. You can rewrite the sentence like this. The shepherd hears a barking sound. So what happens is that here the shepherd, who is hearing the barking sound? The shepherd. So the shepherd will become the subject. The shepherd will become the subject and hears a barking sound will be the predicate. Now let's move on to the another slide for exercise. So let us do an exercise. There are 4 questions. The first one is the earth revolves around the sun. Second one is borrowed garments never fit well. Third one is the dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. Fourth one is he has a good memory. So pause the video and try to do these questions by yourself. Please pause the video and do it. Honestly, you do it. Definitely I'll provide the answers to these questions, but please try to do this by yourself first and then listen to my answer. So yeah, we'll check the answers. The earth revolves around the sun. Here it's very clear that we are talking about the earth. The earth revolves around the sun. It is about the earth that we are talking about. So the subject of this sentence will be the earth. Subject of this sentence is going to be the earth. Revolves around the sun. Revolves is a verb actually. So revolves around the sun will become the predicate. Always look for the verb part. Where is the verb? Locate the verb and then you can understand that the rest part will become the predicate. That is also another way to find out which is the subject part and which is the predicate part. Coming to next question. Borrowed garments never fit well. What are we talking about? We are talking about borrowed garments. And what do? They never fit well. So borrowed garments will become the subject. Borrowed garments will become the subject and never fit well will become the predicate. Coming to the next question, third question. The dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. What are we talking about? We are talking about the dewdrops. And what are they doing or what is happening to them? They are glittering in the sunshine. So here the dewdrops will become the subject. Now coming to the next question, the fourth question or the last question of our exercise. He has a good memory. Whom are we talking about? Who are we talking about? We are talking about a particular person, he. So he will become the subject over here. He has a good memory. Has a good memory will become the predicate. So thank you everyone. I hope this video will help you. Thank you.